Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 15 odds for weekend matches. The usual selection, which is the favorite team to score one or three goals. So let's get started. We have games here in the England Premier League where Chelsea is taking on West Ham. Chelsea to score one or three goals. They should not mess up today. I expect them to score at least one goal in this game. Then we have a game here in Scotland where Rangers is taking on Kilmarnock, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals for the home team, which is Rangers. And then the next game we have is in Portugal, where Braga is taking on Casapia. Lisbon, and my prediction here is Braga to score 1 to 3 goals. Then we move on to Turkey, where Istanbul BB is taking on Kasimpasa Istanbul, the home team, which is Istanbul BB, to score 1 to 3 goals. Then still in Portugal, we have a game in between Famalicão taking on Benfica. I expect Benfica to score 1 to 3 goals. Then we move on to La Liga, where Sevilla is taking on Granada. 1 to 3 goals for Sevilla. Then Rayo Vallecano, 1 to 3 goals. Valencia Alves are 1 to 3 goals for the home team. Then we move on to France, where Italy, where Milan is taking again 1 to 3 goals for the home team. Then the last game is in England, where Liverpool is taking on Tottenham, over 1.5 goals for the home team, which is Liverpool. I expect Liverpool to score at least 2 goals in today's encounter. So that gives us a total of 15 odds. So I wish you guys good luck and happy Sunday. And if you want to join our VIP where you win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up. It's a paid service. It's not free. It's not pay after. I will see you guys after the game. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.